Hey guys, Dr. Baxter and Josie here at Better Life Chiropractic. Today we're going to talk about this neck exerciser. It's called the Stroop Loop Neck Exerciser. And this serves two purposes. One is to decrease anterior head carriage or forward head posture like this. And two, to increase the cervical lordosis or curve in your neck. So Josie's going to demonstrate how to use it. We're going to put it over her head, the padded side on her neck, and the other padded side is for the handle for her hands. And she's going to grab it with the palms facing down and face this way, Josie. Good. Now she's going to extend her arms, and when it's horizontal or parallel with the ground, that's going to focus more on the mid neck. And then when she points it down towards the ground a little bit, that's going to focus more on the lower neck, and pointing up is going to focus on the upper neck. So we're going to show you how to use this. So relax. Now extend your arms straight out, and we want to make sure we just tilt our head backwards. Now bring your neck backwards. Good, just like that. And this is the proper way to do this. Now you want to hold this for about 10 seconds and try to do 10 repetitions each day. Okay, relax. Now what you don't want to do is extend your arms and arch backwards. You don't want to do this and bending your back like that. All you want to do is move your skull and then your neck. Good. Now our goal is to do, like I said, 10-second holds, 10 repetitions a day, and we want to get up to 30 repetitions a day with 10-second holds. Okay. So the Stroop Loop comes in 3 different resistance. We have medium, hard, and very hard. But ask your doctor how you should use it, whether you should focus on your lower neck, mid neck, or upper neck, and also what strength you should get. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, give us a call, 208-884-5000, or look us up online at betterlifechiro.net.